So my name is Andrea Paterlini and I work at the University of Sheffield. So I'm a university teacher and my particular area of focus is cell-to-cell communication in plants. So I'm fascinated by Plasmodesmata, these small channels that connect plant cells, and they're fundamental to enable both transport of nutrients and signals between neighboring cells. And this is important for patterning of plants, also for responding to the environment if a plant is attacked by pathogens or needs to adjust its overall development. You can imagine that the transport of nutrients and signal is also important for yields and resource allocation to our crops. So we hope that by better understanding Plasmodesmata, we might be able to modulate those sugar fluxes into fruits and then get better crops for the future and maybe address some problems of food security. Yeah, I've got a slightly interesting journey in a way. So when I started, I did my undergrad at the University of Edinburgh, I was actually signed up to study infectious diseases. And it wasn't until I attended the Gatsby summer school here in York, and then I had a couple of very nice lecturers from plant biology that I kind of realized, oh, this is cool. And I hadn't been exposed to plant science before. So I felt, well, this is all new. There's lots of cool stuff. I think I should pursue this. And rather than focus on bacteria, I decided to focus on plants. And I've never regretted the choice. So that was fantastic for me. So after my undergrad, I moved to Cambridge, where I did my PhD. I'm still focusing on Plasmodesmata. This has been a running theme throughout my academic career. I had a lovely time in Cambridge, focused on different aspects. And then after that, I did a short postdoc. I went abroad just to experience a different culture, a different environment, trying to develop different skills. But then I decided to come back to the UK, and actually took some time off research to focus on science communication and science outreach. These were some things that I had started focusing on during my PhD, and I had massively enjoyed that. Like getting in contact with people, talking about plant science is just so energizing, especially when you're talking to young kids. Like they're so fascinated by everything. So I really enjoyed that. So I spent 1 year working for the Gatsby Plant Science Education Program, organizing summer schools and other activities. And then a job came up at the University of Sheffield, a teaching job. So that was another element that I had done a little bit of work during my PhD. So now I'm kind of hoping, hopefully shaping the next generation of plant scientists. So that's another way to contribute to the field. The most rewarding element of this job that I'm doing at the moment, and all the kind of jobs I've done throughout my career, is really interacting with people, at the moment interacting with students, really seeing the excitement in their eyes, kind of seeing them developed into people that have critical thinking, they really analyze the question, they challenge you. I really like seeing that development in people, or inspiring people to appreciate plant science, the relevance of that. So I think plant science is a nice field because it's a small community. So we really value those interactions both within the academic community but also outside with people. So I think that's the most rewarding aspect of the job.